Number 13. The triangular prism shown below has equilateral triangular bases with sides of 6.7, a height of 6, and rectangular sides measuring 6.7 by 10. What's the total surface area? So every piece, finding the area and adding them all together.
For the triangle bases is 6.7.
And then the height of your triangles
Is 6.
6. And then our rectangular. So we've got 6.7 by 10.
67.
Good. So the rectangles, we need to do base times height. And those triangles, base times height divided by 2. And then adding all those up. Don't forget to add your decimal on that when you do your triangle and you divide it by 2. Don't lose your decimal. I saw a lot of people miss that before because they were leaving that off. So once you have the area for every single piece, you're adding those all together.
I love hearing this in the background.
Okay, what'd you guys get? Yeah,
Make it
sometimes.
more enjoyable.
Sometimes I like hearing that. Sometimes not so much. Okay,
I messed up. H.
good. 67 times 3 plus.
Oh, I did 67 plus 67. I didn't do it 3 times.
Good.
F and H are the same thing. Again?
F and H are the same? Oh, yeah, they are. So, you know, pick whichever one you like better. It will not be like that on the test. You will have 4 completely different answer choices, but one will be right. Okay, is this the last one? Okay, number 14. Oh, number 14. The pyramid shown below is made of 4 congruent equilateral triangles with sides of 8 centimeters and heights of 6.9. What's the total surface area of the pyramid? So if they're equilateral, that means they're all the same. So you can literally find the area of one of those triangles and add them all together because they're all going to be the same, or just multiply by 4. So if our sides...
Is it based on height divided by 2?
8, yes. And the height, 6.9. So for each of these, we've got to do base times height divided by 2.
So did you do 8 times 6.9 times 4 divided by 2? Did you do that? Or would you just do, or would you do 8.6.9? 8 times 6.9 divided by 2 times 4.
Yeah, you can do it that way. Either, I guess, but... And if you can see here, you can go ahead and divide. If you don't see it like that, then you don't have to do that. So 6.9 times 4.
What's 8 times 9?
It's 1,004.
1,000.
Are we done?
Okay.
Are we done?
And that's it.